Please subscribe, follow and like engineeringall.com.
Hey, social media mavens. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a hot topic that's been making waves: how to make money on Facebook. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because we've got some game-changing strategies to share with you. Let's dive right in. So, you probably spend a lot of time on Facebook, but did you know you can turn your social media activity into cash? In this video, we're going to unveil the secrets to monetizing your Facebook presence in various ways. Method 1. Affiliate marketing. We'll walk you through the steps of choosing the right products, promoting them on Facebook, and earning commissions for every sale you generate. Method 2. Creating and selling digital products. Learn how to leverage your skills to create ebooks, online courses, or digital art and turn them into a profitable business on Facebook. Method 3. Facebook groups and communities. Discover how to build a thriving community or group on Facebook, and monetize it through sponsorships, paid memberships, and more. Method 4. Selling physical products. We'll show you how to set up a Facebook shop, optimize your product listings, and drive sales to your e-commerce business. Method 5. Freelancing and services. Find out how to market your skills and services on Facebook, whether you're a writer, designer, or any other professional. Method 6. Sponsored content. Explore how to collaborate with brands and promote their products to your Facebook audience while getting paid for it. Method 7. Crowdfunding and donations. Learn how to use Facebook to fund your creative projects or charitable causes through platforms like Patreon or Facebook fundraisers. Method 8. Investing and trading. We'll discuss how you can stay updated on financial news and join Facebook groups or forums to connect with fellow investors and traders. And there you have it, the ultimate guide on how to make money on Facebook. If you found these strategies intriguing, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who want to turn their social media time into a side hustle or full-time income. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more social media and money-making tips. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. Go make that Facebook money.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the red button to subscribe for more videos.